Hello, in this video we're going to see step by step how you can send a personalized email campaign through WayMore Campaign Manager. First, you need to have selected to send a new campaign. Then you need to select your audience through your contact lists or groups, your channels that are active, the flow, the order for your channels, and last, we need to go to messages and set up our email in order to be personalized. So primary channel, email, we click on setup, and we're going to see that you have three different options in order to personalize your email. Let's start building up the setup. Sender name, I will use WayMore as an example. From this is the email that your recipients are seeing. And the first time that you have this option to personalize a message is through the email subject. So I will go here, hi, and add personalization with the dynamic variables. Remember that whatever you have inside your contact list, you can use it. So I will use the first name of our customer, exclamation mark, and this is the first time that I can personalize something. Hi Panos, hi John, hi Kate. If you scroll down, then we have the email preheader. The email preheader is a small piece of text displayed on the inbox next to the sender's name, but it's not the main body. So it looks like this. So you have the title, the subject, then you have this preheader. Hi Sophia, this is a personalization, but it's not the main body of your email. So again here, hi, dynamic variable. I will use the first name, exclamation mark, and let's go like this. We know that today you turn, and in my variables in my contact list, I also have the age of my customers, so you can have the same. So we know that today you turn your age and happy birthday. This is my pre-header. Again, if you scroll down, you're going to see that you have some fallback values. So in case for a specific contact that you don't know their first name, you can have an alternative, and I will go for dear customer instead of hi John. In case I don't have the first name, it will go hi dear customer. And if I don't know the age of a customer of mine, I will use an exclamation mark, and this is how it's going to look like with a happy birthday. So first time we have a personalization in the subject. The second time we can have a personalization in the preheader. We also have our fallback values in case we don't know something. And the third time is in the template. So in case you select a predefined template, or you want to create a new one from the editor that we have, you can also personalize here. So we go in edit, let's say that we want to use the specific template, edit in builder, and even in a new one, whenever you have a specific element that has a text, you can go here, you can put your cursor and use tags, last name, and his email probably. So again, you have another personalized option, a third one inside the subject of your email. Once you finish with everything, you can save and continue to send your personalized email campaign. Thank you for watching this video.